Greetings, Earthlings. I come in peace. Whatever, live long and prosper. Nanu, nanu. This is the cheap camera, the $10 Pinky. I'm going to see how it does as a dash cam. It's not as good as I'd hoped, but when I bought it, it was, you know, you buy it basically non-returnable from the thrift store. And must be their daughter. I've never really see anyone but them, so nice looking car. Okay. Yeah. Except he's already stuffed it in the snowbank. Bent his license plate. You see that? Young guy, lots of power, lack of skills. As I was saying, it didn't boot up when I first got it home, put batteries in it. It didn't turn on. It just went to the opening screen. So I thought it was likely a dud. But, you know, being a store for the special needs adults, $10 to the cause anyway. So I took the camera apart and looked at it, and I think that might be one of the reasons the speaker or the microphone is funny, because I had to pull it out. It was glued in with like an adhesive ring, and when I put it back in, it's not quite as tight, so it's likely giving funny sounds. But I also noticed that it sounded better when I was behind it than in front of it, so I'm going to open it up again and see if maybe there's some way that maybe I put it in funny, because I think the speaker also has the microphone built in with it. So I'm going to try and use it for a couple of different things. So we didn't want to follow the slow minivan, eh?
Oh, I guess not.
Gotta go like hell, and I'll stuff it to banks again. Muchi buchi. There's some pulling out.
Well, don't get so close, please.
Trying to scare him.
Yeah, well, you were doing a good job scaring me.
Oh. So we'll see how this does as a dash cam. Kind of a fixed range focus, so I was using it yesterday with kind of the light behind me, so it didn't really turn out that good, I don't think, for footage. I think the second nice day we've had in a row. I think it's supposed to be -5 today and -7 tomorrow. And we're supposed to get back to seasonal temperatures, which is -10, -12 for the rest of the week. But you know how much you can trust the weather forecasters. Actually, I'm going to turn this just a little bit and show you, instead of the road, I'll show you a little bit of the hoar frost in the trees. loves working with kids, although she does get tested on her patients with a few of them. She does talk loud and clear with, when she's talking about school. So sometimes I'll say to her, school voice, please. And she gives me a dirty look and sticks her tongue out at me like she's doing right now. You did it a few seconds ago. This will also be a good test to see how the sound is in the vehicle. At least for $10, I could use it for showing real crappy stuff, and if I have to put it somewhere and it might get damaged, it's not a big loss if it does get damaged. So somebody's broken. Somebody's following it. Frost on the other side.
Very pretty.
Yeah. Could have been playing hockey in about another hour, but he has to ref 2 games today, so on ice for three games, and the one he plays is only an hour. But the ones he refs are usually an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on what age group it is. And because he's a level 3 ref, he's the head referee in more and more games, so he has a lot more skating to do. And he also needed to get his skates sharpened. You only skate on them so many times, and they need to be sharpened again. And the place that he gets them done is in the city, about a 15-minute drive from our house. He's reffing 2 games tomorrow as well. He did well last weekend. He was reffing a AAA tournament, which was kind of like a prospects tournament for, I think it was bantam players, which is what, 14, 15? Or I think he did some midget too, which is 16, 17. Got lots of good feedback, because it was also the tournament where they selected the refs. They didn't just pick out of the whole group. They're picking the refs that they're kind of watching their development to see how they do. Anyway, don't know if I finished talking about Kyle's reffing or not, but we're going to shut you down. Let's have a little peace in the world, especially coming up on Christmas. Take it easy and have a good one.